Is the share when you update your profile feature not working on the Discord app? If your profile updates aren't being shared, the option is missing, or the setting won't save. In this video I will show you how to fix share when you update your profile on Discord app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Discord. Of course, here you will tap. Then in this window you will move to profile. Then you will go to settings here. After that, in this page of settings you will go to data and privacy, and here in this window of data and privacy what you will find is share when I update my profile. So you tap here to fix this problem and to enable it. So this is how it works. If you enjoy watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.